Welcome to today's video, Unlock Your Meditation Purpose and Find Your Perfect Guide. Have you ever tried to meditate only to find your mind racing? Maybe you sit down, close your eyes, and instead of finding calm, you're suddenly bombarded by thoughts about work, errands, or what you're going to have for dinner. You might even start to wonder if you're doing it wrong or if meditation just isn't for you. It's a common experience, one that leaves many people feeling frustrated or even more stressed than before they started. Do you feel like it's just another thing on your to-do list? In our busy lives, meditation can sometimes feel like just one more obligation, a box to check off between meetings, chores, and family responsibilities. Instead of being a source of relief, it can start to feel like a burden, something you should do rather than something you want to do. This mindset can make it hard to stick with the practice and even harder to experience its true benefits. Meditation shouldn't feel like a chore. It's not meant to be another task that weighs you down. Instead, it can be a gentle invitation to pause, breathe, and reconnect with yourself. Imagine if, instead of dreading your meditation time, you looked forward to it as a moment of peace in your day, a time to recharge, reflect, and simply be. It should be a journey of self-discovery and inner peace. Meditation offers a unique opportunity to explore your inner world, to notice your thoughts and feelings without judgment, and to cultivate a sense of calm that you can carry with you throughout your day. Whether you're sitting by a quiet lake, surrounded by nature, or simply finding a peaceful corner in your home, meditation can help you reconnect with what truly matters. But here's the thing. To truly unlock the transformative power of meditation, you need to ask yourself a powerful question. Why am I doing this? Is it to find relief from stress, to gain clarity, to heal, or to simply find a moment of stillness in a hectic world? Taking a moment to reflect on your intention can shift your entire experience. It's not about being perfect or emptying your mind. It's about understanding your own needs and desires and allowing meditation to support you in your unique journey. What is driving you to close your eyes, take a deep breath, and turn inward? Is it curiosity, a longing for peace, or a desire to grow? When you connect with your personal motivation, meditation becomes more than a routine. It becomes a meaningful practice that evolves with you. Each breath, each moment of stillness is a step toward greater self-awareness and well-being. The answer to that question holds the key to unlocking your meditation purpose and finding a guide who can help you thrive on your journey. Whether you choose to meditate alone with a teacher or in a group, knowing your why can help you stay motivated and open to the possibilities that meditation can bring. Remember, meditation isn't about achieving perfection. It's about showing up for yourself, one breath at a time, and allowing the practice to transform you from the inside out. Meditation is having a moment. From celebrities to CEOs, everyone seems to be raving about its benefits, and for good reason. Meditation has been scientifically proven to reduce stress, improve focus, and boost overall well-being. Yet, so many people struggle to make meditation a consistent practice. Life gets in the way, distractions pull us in every direction. We might even find ourselves wondering if we're doing it right. The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to meditation. What works for one person might not work for another, and that's perfectly okay. The secret to unlocking a truly transformative meditation practice lies in understanding your meditation why. Just like any meaningful journey, meditation requires a destination. Why are you drawn to this ancient practice? What do you hope to gain from it? Your meditation. Why is the compass that guides you, the fuel that keeps you going when things get tough? It's the difference between a fleeting interest and a lifelong practice that enriches your life from the inside out. Meditation is a deeply personal journey. There's no right or wrong reason to begin. Some people turn to meditation to find peace in the midst of chaos. Others seek to deepen their self-awareness or connect with something greater than themselves. Your motivation might be to improve your focus, enhance your creativity, or simply carve out a few moments of stillness in a hectic world. Whatever your reason, embrace it. Your meditation why is unique to you, and it's what makes your journey special. Take a moment to reflect. Why do you want to meditate? Are you seeking inner peace and calm? Do you long for greater clarity and focus? Perhaps you're hoping to cultivate more compassion for yourself and others. Write down your thoughts and feelings. Explore the depths of your motivation. This is a journey of self-discovery and, well, understanding your why is the first step. Meditating without a clear purpose can feel a bit like wandering aimlessly. It's easy to feel lost, unmotivated, or perhaps unsure of whether you're making any progress at all. You might even find yourself giving up altogether. Having a meditation why provides direction and clarity. It transforms meditation from a chore into a conscious choice, a deliberate act of self-care and growth. When you know your why, you're far more likely to stick with your practice, even when challenges arise. You'll approach each session with intention, knowing that you're moving towards something truly meaningful. I remember when I first started meditating. It felt like stepping into a world I'd only heard about in passing, one filled with promises of peace, clarity, and a calmer mind. I was curious, maybe even a little desperate, to find something that would help me slow down and feel more grounded in my everyday life, but honestly, I had no idea where to begin or what to expect. So, like many people, I turned to technology for answers. I dabbled in different apps, each one offering a slightly different approach, some with soothing voices, others with calming music, and a few that promised instant results if I just stuck with their program. I tried guided meditations on YouTube, searching for the perfect video that would finally help me get it. I'd sit in front of my screen, headphones on, following along as best I could, hoping that this time something would click. I even attended a few classes at local studios, thinking maybe being around others would help me tap into the right mindset. The instructors were kind, the spaces were peaceful, and yet I still felt like an outsider looking in. But honestly, nothing seemed to stick. I'd find myself getting restless, checking the clock, or wondering if I was doing it right. The more I tried, the more it felt like I was missing some secret ingredient that everyone else seemed to have. I felt like I was just going through the motions without truly connecting with the practice. My mind would wander, and I'd end up feeling more frustrated than relaxed. It was as if I was lost in a maze, unsure which path would lead me to the sense of calm I was searching for. It wasn't until I took the time to understand my own meditation why that things began to shift. I started journaling about my experiences, asking myself what I was really hoping to get out of meditation. Was it stress relief, more focus, or just a break from the noise of daily life? I realized I was seeking a deeper sense of presence, a way to feel truly alive in each moment instead of being swept away by worries about the past or future. I wanted to reconnect with myself, to find a quiet space within where I could just be. I noticed how often my mind was filled with constant chatter, endless to-do lists, self-criticism and anxieties that never seemed to let up. I longed for a way to quiet that noise, even if just for a few minutes each day. And so I began to focus on the basics. Mindful breathing, paying attention to the sensations in my body, and gently bringing my awareness back whenever my thoughts wandered. Slowly, I started to connect with the present moment, even if only for a breath or two at a time. Armed with this newfound clarity, I felt a sense of hope. I realized that meditation wasn't about achieving some perfect state, but about showing up for myself, again and again, with patience and curiosity. With this perspective, I began to explore different styles and teachers with an open mind. I read books, listened to podcasts, and even reached out to a meditation teacher for guidance. The journey was no longer about finding the right method, but about discovering what truly resonated with me and allowed me to feel more at home within myself. The world of meditation is, well, vast and diverse. From mindfulness to transcendental meditation, from ancient traditions to modern interpretations, there's a style and a teacher out there for everyone. You might find resonance with a particular tradition, like Zen Buddhism or Vipassana. Or perhaps a specific teacher's voice or approach speaks to you on a deeper level. Don't be afraid to explore and experiment until you find what feels right for you. Remember, this is your journey. Just like finding a trusted friend or mentor, discovering the right meditation guide can be a deeply personal and transformative experience. Think about the people in your life who have truly listened to you, who have offered wisdom and support when you needed it most. In the same way, a meditation guide can become a gentle companion on your journey inward, helping you navigate the sometimes unfamiliar landscape of your own mind and heart. Discovering the right meditation guide is absolutely essential. Whether you're drawn to group classes where you can share energy with others, or you prefer the intimacy of one-on-one instruction, the right guide will help you feel seen, heard, and understood. They can introduce you to new techniques, answer your questions, and help you overcome any doubts or obstacles that arise along the way. A good guide does more than just teach techniques. They create an environment where you feel safe to be yourself, to ask questions, and to explore your own unique path. They understand that meditation is not a one-size-fits-all practice, and they encourage you to find what works best for you, honoring your individuality every step of the way. They offer support, encouragement, and a safe space for you to explore the depths of your inner world. When challenges arise, whether it's restlessness, self-doubt, or simply the busyness of life, they are there to remind you that these are all part of the journey. Their presence can help you feel less alone, and their encouragement can inspire you to keep going, even when things get tough. They understand the challenges you might face and provide guidance tailored to your individual needs and aspirations. Maybe you're seeking calm in a stressful world, or perhaps you're searching for deeper meaning and connection. Whatever your reasons, a compassionate guide will help you clarify your intentions and support you as you move forward step by step. When you find a guide or method that resonates with your soul, meditation becomes more than just a daily habit. It becomes a source of inspiration and growth. You begin to notice subtle shifts in your awareness, your relationships, and your overall sense of well-being. The right guide will celebrate your progress with you, no matter how small, and help you recognize the beauty in your own unfolding journey. Meditation transforms from a solitary pursuit into a shared journey of growth and transformation. You become part of a community, connected by a shared intention to grow, heal, and support one another. The energy of practicing together can amplify your own experience, making each session feel more meaningful and alive. It becomes a source of strength, clarity, and joy in your life. Over time, you may find that meditation helps you respond to challenges with greater ease, connect more deeply with yourself and others, and experience moments of profound peace and happiness. The practice becomes a wellspring you can return to again and again whenever you need it most. So take a deep breath, trust your intuition, and remember that your meditation journey is uniquely yours. There is no right or wrong way, only the path that feels true to you. Allow yourself to be curious, to experiment, and to grow at your own pace. Embark on this incredible journey of self-discovery, knowing that every step you take brings you closer to your own inner wisdom and peace. Whether you meditate for 5 minutes or 50, what matters most is that you show up for yourself with kindness and openness. Your perfect meditation experience awaits, one that honors your individuality, supports your growth, and brings you lasting joy. Trust yourself and let your meditation practice become a beautiful reflection of who you truly are. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.